Are we live?
Yes, you are.
Fantastic. So, welcome to the Taste the Islands Culinary Museum. Eddie has hijacked it today, so apparently it's the Jerk Museum. But you know what I'm saying, it actually belongs to the Taste the Islands experience. And I know you're in my face because we're live and you have to hear what I'm saying. But I just wanted to share with you guys what this is. So, as you know, we have our Island Origins brand, but we also do the TV show called Taste the Islands, right? With Chef Irie. If y'all know that TV show on PBS, we produced that TV show. So we created an event around it called the Taste the Islands Experience. We're going into the third year in April of 2019, and we're doing that with a 3-day event now instead of a 1-day event. So part of that, of course, we have the all-inclusive food and drinks. We have chefs that come up from the Caribbean. We have gourmet food. We have Caribbean cocktails. We have cooking demonstrations. We have cultural elements. And one of those cultural elements is our culinary museum. It is proprietary to us. We also have a culinary theater, but it's not going right now. And if you look around the room, I'll stay near the phone so you can hear me. But if you look around the room, you will see all these great boards with information. And our
Sexy man. Which one is the culinary theater?
It's here in Chicago 2018. And then I'm coming right back to tell you more about it. We're just trying to get the theater up and going. And it's culinary. If you look on the record screen. I'm back. So what you were looking at a while ago was some of the artifacts, some of the culinary artifacts that we have begged, stolen and borrowed from all over the place, just to give you a little taste of the history of not just Jamaica but the entire Caribbean region. So over here you are looking at things like coal pots, you're looking at cast iron skillets, you're looking at Dutch pots, that's a coconut brush I think it's called. You have measuring cups. You have these older the oil lamp. So it's an oil lamp lantern kind of thing. There's a lantern. There's a kerosene lamp over here. Even I remember this as a child, and I'm not too much older than some of you. And we went into spices because that's how we've kind of arranged the museum, so that it looks at the history of how all of these various spices got into the Caribbean region. So we had elements like sour with the tamarind, we had the savory with the pimento, we have sorrel and rice and cinnamon. Of course, Island Origins magazine has to be in there. And some of these older like irons, if you look at like this iron here, this is one of the ones where you put the hot coals inside. And yes, please share it if you're watching. Put the hot coals inside, and this is how they used to iron the clothes. Just close it down and the iron is hot from that. This is how they used to shave ice to make snow cone. So you'd shave the ice, and the ice would end up in here and create the snow cone. This is another hot iron. This is a scale here, and that's a coal, a Dutch pot that you're thing with coal. That over there is a wine. This is a wine case. So they have the little fancy bags now. That's how they used to gift wine. And vintage. And so if you're coming out to Jerk Festival today, we're going to invite you to stop by the Culinary Museum and Theatre and have a look. If you see the screen over there as well, the theatre just came on. So Dr. Sue is there. This is only a part of our theatre. And Dr. Sue is there talking about the history of Jamaican food in a very dramatic fashion. So we're going to be doing all of this again in February to March at the Lauderhill Museum. We'll have the full installation of the museum there with even more artifacts, with the full theater that includes Jamaica, Haiti and Trinidad. We'll have a launch event where of course we're going to be serving food and drinks and having a great time and sharing the history of the culinary history of the Caribbean. We do a little bit of it at Jerk, we do a little bit of at our event, and we're going to invite you all. February 22nd, I believe, is the launch at the at the Lauderhill Museum, and we will hope to see you all there. Alrighty, gone back to work.
talk to me about your reign. What is it like being Miss Jamaica, Florida? What does it entail? What do you have to do? Awesome rain, she's looking forward to more. I see a man walk past with a camera, so I give him some time for this make sure I take the picture right. You understand me, Dion? For a whole heap of pictures you take. What was it? When was the competition and how many girls entered? Can you remember how many girls entered for Miss Jamaica, Florida?
It was August 12th, and I believe we have 4 different titles, and I believe we had about 11 contestants this year overall.
Okay, and it was of course well contested. I'm sure all the ladies were able and were some good contenders, but certainly the cream rose to the top, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. All right, thank you very much, my darling, and of course continue to represent Jamaica and Florida beautifully.
Thank you.
Here she goes, walking trophy, off and running. Hey, come on. Hey, I see a walking trophy. Jump, I see a walking trophy. Check it out for me, CMB. Now, I want to remind you that our theme is, of course, the talking drums right here on the Western Union Cultural Stage. And we still have more giveaways, so we're going to be piling them on later on. But we're going to bring on a group right now that I want you to make your way down here and, of course, take in. Because this group is going to be giving you the history of jerk in song and dance. The history of jerk in song and dance. And if you're from Jamaica, then you know the history of jerk was there long before any of the Africans came on the island of Jamaica. Let me see how much you know about your history. Because jerk was there long before any African got on the island of Jamaica. So I'm going to see how much this story, whether it's true or not. I want to big up the Cushite band. Because the Cushite band is coming on stage right now. They're going to be giving us the history of jerk in presentation. They're going to be doing it in song and drumming and dance. And the Cushite band is, of course, a well-famous band. You know what I mean? And they, of course,
hi, everybody. Hi, Xavier. How are you?
So I want to pick up the Cushite family as they make their way right now.
Well, we're having a wonderful day here at the Western Union Cultural Stage. You missed all the kids, Xavier. They were dancing up a storm. You saw them? Oh, good. But I'm glad you came early. Wonderful.
So what we have coming up on the main stage?
On the main stage, we got Freddie McGregor. Gospel should be done by 3 o'clock. But we have Naomi Cowan, we have Freddie McGregor, we have Ding Dong, we have Marcia Griffiths. Mighty Diamond. Mighty Diamond. Who else we got? That's enough, right?
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Coming to the stage, Sister Fanai will be telling the story of the jerk. I want to introduce the drummers. We have Russ Alric, who has played for many years with many great players.
Live, you're live. When is your performance?
You just missed one, and we'll be back with River Muma by Etusi Brooks, and I will be doing Auntie Rochi Set to talk about the Jamaican language. And I don't know, I don't want to hear anybody talk about, say, patois and broken English, because Miss Luda just turn over in our grave. You understand? It is our indigenous language, and I am here to tell you and to share with you what Auntie Rochi said. We all know Auntie Rochi, right? Stand by for Auntie Rochi. All right.
And now we have the fire, the healing fire. My brother from another mother, but my brother. And we are bringing Sister Fanai to the stage. Trio.
you know, man.
Jamaicans.com, you know, my place. Every year we have to be here because this is where most Jamaicans amass for the Great Jamaica Jerk Festival. This is where we get piece of the culture. We feel like we're at home. And of course, some of us from Jamaica come up to make sure, say, you feel like you're at home. You understand what I say?
Talk to me, what you have coming up? Which place?
I'm glad you asked me that because I've not done theatre in a very long time. I'm doing stand-up comedy now. I'm producing stand-up comedy. And I'm expanding the brands. All my brands in Jamaica have live shows on a Tuesday night at 100 in Kingston and also in Montego Bay on a Thursday night. It's called the Johnny Live Comedy Bar. We invite locals and international comics to come and just mash up the whole place. Also, I want to tell you, I go live on Facebook every Monday night from Jamaica with the Johnny Live show. So it's all about Jamaica. It's all about exposing the brand Jamaica and of course making the world know that brand Johnny Live is alive and well.
All right.
Big up yourself every time.
Respect.
How you know I go already when
Because that's how it goes. This one, once you can either move him 1, 2, or 3.
You like the coconut?
Just live. We're live on Jamaican Start.
Oh, hello Jamaica. How are you doing today? Hope all is well. Peace and blessings to everyone. Yes, we have fresh picked coconuts. My husband and I pick the coconut in South Florida and we sell it throughout Broward County every day of the week. Yes, all right, thank you.
All right? You sure?
Why wouldn't you? Are you going to take a test?
Nervous? I can give her that. That's why you want. Other than the amount of babes, tell you the truth. Ariella, awesome. It's good to have you here. So you go to school? Where? Oh, so which grade are you in? You like school? Ooh. Do you know what you want to be when you grow up? Good answer. Yes, you have a little time to figure it out. And I hope when you do it well. Thank you. Awesome. All right. So we have some samples coming around soon. Licking your chops. I know you go down. Yeah. What is your name? Shayna. Boy. People are getting more creative with these names here. Shayna. This sounds pretty cool. Exotic, right? Yes. So, is this dad? Wow. So dad is just chilling out. And you're chilling out. Did dad buy anything to eat yet? What you eat? Yeah, another pork eater. Yeah man, another pork eater. Yeah man. So dad, where you from?
Elmira, New York.
New York, huh? Where in New York?
Elmira.
Elmira, is that upstate? I figure as much. Come down, no, in Brooklyn and Bronx near Elmira. No. So you come down here to live now, or you visiting?
Yeah, I lived down here for 30 years.
30 years. Wow, the cold pushed you out of New York, didn't it?
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to be there shoveling anybody's snow right now. Trust me.
I know.
So are you enjoyed your move to, was it Fort Lauderdale? Miami. And you came up here for the Jerk Festival? Like incognito. Oh, so what is your favorite dish?